morning, Group 52. In Genesis chapter 12, God tells Abraham, leave this country, depart from your father's house, and I will bless you, and I will make you a great nation. God blessed Abraham indeed. But before God did anything for Abraham, he had to depart from his father's house. That's because provision is at the destination of obedience, meaning God doesn't bless you because you look good. God provides for you because you are obedient to his word. Group 52, if you're still waiting on the provision of the Lord, check back and see if there was any word you were not obedient to, because God doesn't just bless you for fun. He blesses your obedience to his word and instruction. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.